posture sets the tone. Posture is very important for anything we do. So in meditation, we are developing our mind, developing our brain, developing a new skill, and an aware, alert posture, which is upright, chest open, and neck long, your spine is straight. As much as possible, we all have limitations with our body, but as much as possible, having a chin parallel slightly down to the ground, and your hands would be resting on your lap somewhere, on your knees or lap in front of you, and your eyes could be open or could be closed. We suggest the closed eyes so that you could kind of take out any distraction that could come through the eyes. But if you want to, you have to keep your eyes open. You can just look down somewhere dimly, very down dimly, so you're not really distracted. You're trying to be more focused than normal. So these days it's not easy to be focused. And we are going to develop the skill of how do I do that. So let's take a deep breath. One deep, long breath in. Exhale. Bring awareness to your body and you, whoever is experiencing your life within you, resides in this body. That's your body. Everyone have their own experience of life within their own body. So let's connect with it. Become aware of your face, your head, any tension, tightness there may be in your facial muscles. Just relaxing them. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your jaws. Relax your neck, shoulders, arms, posture. Take another deep breath in. Hold your breath. And then gently, slowly exhale it out. Let's do that again. Take one long, deep breath in. Hold for a few moments. And gently, slowly exhale through your mouth. Your mind may be racing, a lot of stuff in it, a lot of thoughts, images. It's normal, it's not unusual. And we want to just gradually, slowly moving away from it by shifting attention to something else. So if you can, see if you can shift your awareness to your breathing process. You may feel your breath in your nostrils. So dropping attention below the eyes, below the eyelids, into the nostrils. Feel a big breath moving in, breath moving out. You may stay in the nostrils or drop attention into the chest area, noticing when a breath comes in, the chest rises to open space for the breath. And when you exhale, the chest drops to accommodate the exhalation. See if you can stay in the chest and the rib cage or the abdomen for a few breaths, just experiencing this process, this gentle rhythm of the breath. Just feeling the breath in a natural way, not controlling it, not making it happen. You don't have to deepen it or do anything, just experiencing it as it comes and goes in your body. And if it's difficult, it's okay. It's a skill to develop. And now I'd like for you to reflect on your motivation, what brought you to this class, what sets you to think about doing this and registering, attending. Not a whole lot of story, but the intention behind it. One more deep breath in, let it out.